Hey guys, so in business law, you have worked through Unit 1 and Unit 2. You should have finished everything through the Unit 2 summative assessment. For this week, the only thing you have to do if you are totally caught up is the 6 weeks test is due by next Monday. The end of the 6 weeks is the 19th. So we want to make sure that we have everything through the 6 weeks test and 2.02 done by next Monday. If you're having any trouble or you're a little bit behind, if you will send me a message and let me know what's going on, I can help you. If I don't know, I can't. So your 6 weeks test, you can take that test twice. I've allowed that. I've also uploaded a study guide if you want to use that. Or if you just want to go back and look at your quizzes through Unit 1 and Unit 2, that's what comprises your 6 weeks test. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that you're enjoying this class. I enjoy business law. I think it's very interesting. And again, if you have any questions or you are behind, either email me or send me a remind text or something so that we can talk about how we're going to handle making sure that you have everything done by next week so that I can turn grades in on the 19th. Thanks, and I hope you have a great week.